person wey una dey call prophet. Huh? In fact, if I even dey mention the name prophet, it dey do my mouth somehow. He don't finally come out. Oh, okay, I don't show many of you don't even know what they talk about. Onyeze Jesus. Una remember say he carry 50 naira notes they spray to people where they for river. They don't call in case. He don't come outside to apologize. And according to Ram, he say na greedy pastors, enemies of progress, na him carrying video go viral. Say the video when they do as they spray people money, he say they no throw the money away. Say as the money they fall inside river, person they way they pick am. You understand? If they pick am, they keep am down. Say the meaning of that money where they spray, where person they pick, it means say their lost blessings they go find am. I beg, no make no reason only me they laugh because I don't bring the man to una front now. So because una no know who they talk about, una no even know the matter. Join me, make we listen to Onyeze.
I'm here to apologize to Nigeria and Anambra at large for using 50 naira, spreading it on people that I'm working, and also for showing nakedness on a social media. It's a mistake. I'm not the one that posted. People are managing my page. Immediately I noticed that, I deleted it. But before then, some people have shared all of them. And here, for example, those 50 naira that I spread is not even up to 1,000 naira. But all of them, the water did not carry them. Somebody down there is picking them. But that work is, if I spread the money, if that people down there pick it, so shall all their lost blessings be found. That's the meaning of that money.
I be waiting. I want talk now about wahala. Say we born straight. I be wear bomb shorts. Which one? So their blessings we lost, they go find them. Now be the meaning. For nakedness inside river, now so they find blessing. If not like that, now all of us never start to go naked. I don't understand. People just they bring meaning to nonsense thing. My brother, because worship your deity and leave our Jesus alone. Leave our Jesus alone, no. Because now in the open mouth to say, Elijah, Moses, David, Abraham, all of them do their works. They do their works. Did they carry anybody naked? Una safe, una mumu. They could just tell now one thing, una go just some people where they say this one they call prophets. Even Bible, I just should say this man no even they read in Bible. You know they read Bible, you go just bring one thing out. Una self una go they follow am because una two where they follow am. Una also know they read Bible. Now one I don't even understand some kind of things. See, make I give una one serious advice, and it is very, very short. You understand? Any man of God or pastor, wait tell una, do this. Listen, oh, before una go to say they tell una make una disobey una pastor. Any pastor will tell you to do something, especially if the thing you dey feel say now you get one strange feeling about that thing. Ask her, make it show you where it dey for Bible. You understand? It is very important. Because my people, person where they carry go river, now Jesus where they want baptize am. And Jesus no dey naked. Nobody spray Jesus money. I no just understand nowadays. Oh, chineke. See who they talk about making people rich. Say you don't make people rich, you don't make plenty people this one. See in house. Una no see the background for the video. No, go back and watch that video. Una no see the background. Poverty they smell for everywhere. You say you don't make people rich. How can you make people rich? You yourself you are poor. Who I don't see her before. At least, even if I don't say many people there outside where they deceive, but at least their lifestyle go they, you understand, you go they smell some dollars for their lifestyle. At least that one you feel even say okay, you were carried away by his wealth, by his car. This one waiting I don't see for this man now where they make Child. Mr. Onyeze, I don't blame you. Me, am I mad? How can I blame you? The people where I blame now, the Nigerians where they easily follow rubbish all in the name of money. I must make money. Now them I blame. You understand? I no blame you, me. See my hand, no. I beg, I no get hair under my armpits. I no fit blame you, sir. I don't understand how adults they feel just deceive adults anyhow. If una know how many churches dey Nigeria, any corner where you go for Nigeria na church. Person go just put one small umbrella. People go just dey under the umbrella, they say na church. Upon all the plenty church, oh, still they deceive una. They go just say, this one. No go church based on comfort. Say, this one they close to my house. This one, see, if the place where they go teach you the right thing, they go tell you the truth. Even if you need to take 10 cars, I beg go. It is very important. You understand? Make you know where your money they go. See these ones, they say they go church. They don't even know their left from their right. Which one are they learn? Chai! I beg, your apology. Me, I don't know whether it is accepted or not. Me, I don't get anything to talk concerning your apology. Now, why I bring her for now, my people. So, I want to know what you think concerning this matter. It's not easy. I beg, meanwhile, another matter day here for all the people where their sex tape video leak. I just also now remember this case. Na Buhari person. Na people, latest one don't share na. You understand? Because now, in fact, we don't dig deep inside this matter. Not be the one where they tell you now outside there. I don't bring in a correct gist, and this one they come from Hilda Dokubo, na Nigerian actress. This woman, nothing where she know they do. Director, she dey inside. Producer, she dey inside. In fact, managing, waiting. This woman, she too smart. Forget am. Now she don't come outside, can't expose many things. And according to Ram, she say it dey very possible. Say that 20 years old boy, wey name na Peter. When I remember the matter where I told her say they lock him up because he leaked this video. He say it dey very possible. Say no video where that guy edit. Because now they talk say now superimpose big grammar. She say no dey possible. Listen, no, make una open una ear very well. And she say this guy now he go collect compensation because now they don't pay him to enter prison to cover up this man's shame. And she talk another thing where even make my ear stand like this. He say Mr. Amadi, for Mr. Amadi to superimpose this kind thing, he go need get green screen. And if he get that green screen, now him be say, him be waiting accomplice. My people, I beg, I no like they talk some kind things because maybe my English not too clear for una. Now I bring the woman by herself to una screen. You understand? So because una we no know Hilda, una no know the matter. Even for the video, una go see the waiting they call her the commissioner itself as they jolly for bed with his partners. So join me, make we watch the video.
I don't know how many of you saw that sex video 2 weeks ago, starring a federal commissioner for public complaint, Imo State, Mr. William Amadi, and 2 background actors. At the time, it didn't mean anything. You know, adults had their game. But this weekend, that story took a new turn, a turn that gives concern. A 20-year-old boy has been jailed for 12 months. Over what? Blackmail and defamation of character by way of doctoring that video. In other words, superimposing a still shot from a swimming pool to a motion shot of a sex scene into one. Really? Mr. Madi? I mean, like, how did you get this done? In 2 weeks, you have identified a suspect, arrested him, investigated the case, arraigned him before a court, gotten judgment, even jailed him for 12 months. In 2 weeks, in Imo State, where till date, the Supreme Court is still deliberating on governorship matters from 2019 elections. I'm a trained actor, director, casting director, acting coach, producer, director. And I know what I know, Mr. Madi. What this boy is claiming to have done is not doable as today. There is no app to enable him to that. And if he has to even try any attempt, there has to be a cut. But this is a moving shot with no cuts. But let's even agree, for you to superimpose, you need a green screen. And you, Mr. Madi, you need to be with that green screen, which makes you part of the conspiracy. So are you? Please, don't insult us. Okay? Don't insult Nigerians who are from the scratch, have built up the knowledge of making and viewing pictures. Do the right thing, Mr. Amadi. Take your fall. It's your shame. Take full responsibility for it. That's the honorable thing to do.
Hey. Which position I even want to take now? Make a day like this. Hope say no be only me see waiting I just see. Una join me ba? Hey. Una see stay for that video. Mr. Amadi no be the only one wey dey that place. Another man dey for one corner there dey. You understand? Una no see am. Hi, Chineke. See enjoyment. See enjoyment. So bros, no be only you even dey enjoy this thing. Now they don't come outside, they talk say na Photoshop. This one. Okay, make we even assume say this thing na Photoshop. The mirror where they there. Una no see the mirror for back. The mirror even they show us from the other side. Okay, another point. Photoshop. So they Photoshop you, Mr. Commissioner Amadi. They Photoshop the other man too where they that corner. No, you don't see us finish now. We be your mugus. We no go school. We no get sense. Even the reaction from the people where they on top bed as they come notice say Mr. Amadi they video them, they even shock. That one too, na Photoshop. No, if una want make I give una many points, I go on and go on and go on. Che! Some people, some politicians na gay, some politicians na three, some people, in fact, nothing way we go so find out say we go so find out say some politicians now don't go transform from man to woman. Now the only thing we remain now. Wetin we no go see for Nigeria. See how they finish this matter under 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Under 2 weeks, so they judge the case, they arrest person, they conclude, they investigate. In fact, 2 weeks. Meanwhile, many matters in Nigeria where they need deal with for years, where they never touch. But this one, sharp, they don't do and I beg, me, I know like they talk too much without proof. Because now nothing say we foolish. If truly na editing, my people, listen. If truly this boy where they prison now, na editing, he edit this thing. It is very simple. Make them call the boy out. And make people they watch. Make this boy go edit another video for different person, no be this same man. Make we see say, okay, if he, because I don't understand. So you go edit person where they get you understand? Sexual intercourse with him face and everything. Chineke. Even white people say, I'm not sure say white people don't even upgrade, reach this level. You sabi, so people sabi lie. Chineke. I know just don't understand. If Nigeria fit get sense. No, I know the insult to make una forgive me, but this matter they very serious. If Nigerians like the country itself, I know they talk about now be my people. If the country get sense, you understand? By now, Amadi don't suppose step down. People don't suppose they persecute them. Even the girls wey lie down for that bed with them, as this video leak, girls don't suppose persecute them. In fact, call the case out, but no. Why? Because na politician. Now they don't decide to carry their sins put on top innocent boy head. And you said you foolish. How much they pay you when you decide 12 months in prison, my people. Now wait till this boy they go face. Oh. They don't tell us say okay, oh, now wait till we go do be this. You go talk say now you do we go put you for prison. When you come out, they should say even before you enter prison, they don't load in your account with money. Or maybe it ain't even possible. Say I don't they think this thing two sides. It ain't possible. Say they don't even jail them. This boy no dey any prison, they just use that one. No, if truly they prison, when I see any picture of the boy where they arrest him. No, now if we dey talk, if we won't deal with matter, make we get proof, make everything they clear. You understand? Make everything they clear. Me and that's why they work. I know they like one side of the story, two side of the talk your own, we check the proof and we move. This thing na pure scam. See, they lie to everybody. Story. I beg my people, na the matter be this, so forgive me as my face don't serious like this, na because I dey vex, you understand? I beg, I still want to know what you think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section because this one hot way. You understand? And don't forget, if you never subscribe, click on that notification bell. And say una go dey miss anything wey we drop every day. They repeat am. It is very, very important. Share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for One on One TV. Don't go far. See you later.